I only want alternative if it comes to this BBC HIFI sound. You fight for your life. The results is agonizing and defeat is evident. BBC HIFI, Seaborn, Robbie, Charlie Brown, DAINJAMENTAL says so. I'm
Boom shot sound, man. BBC HIFI.
Boom shot. Murder them, hey. Like you never heard of them. You jump on, you have to die now. BBC HIFI, Seaborn, Charlie Brown, Robbie. BBC HIFI, bad up this and war and murder them. We'll kill you, little thing and we'll murder you. No answer when we done them, your petty life had to win. Yeah, we'll kill you, little idiot, we'll murder you. Sure, well let me tell you why this young boy ought to die. Cause I'm come test BBC HIFI, Seaborn, Charlie Brown, not take them alive. Them come and test madman at a suicide, changing suicide into a homicide. After the homicide, all of that drama died. When them a restop, plate head back a fly, them a lose them lives. BBC HIFI, bad up this young boy and murder them. We'll kill you, little tin pan, we'll murder you. No answer when we done them, your petty life had to end. Yeah, we'll kill you, idiot, we'll murder you. Your drum pan sounds going down. Very 6 feet deep, underground, some boy a clown. Well, so as the sun crash bills, we proceed to kill. Little and white, now your whole life we feel. BBC HIFI, them showing us love. The haters, the stickers, the traitors ain't showing us love. But we don't care about none of the above. Bad mind song, them could drown in a flood. Charlie Brown, Seaborn, this who all of the gal them thinking of. HIFI, bad up a sad boy, and murder them. Murder this hang boy. Blick. Not bad. Whoa. Never heard of them. No.